D2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now, in this video, I'm out here in New Jersey, and I'll be replacing some destroyed or damaged flexible duct. You can see here, there was a wild animal up in the attic, and they destroyed the duct. So I'm gonna have to climb through that hole right there, that little hole. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. And this one here feeds. It's an 8-inch flex, round flex. It feeds the back bedroom, or one of the back bedrooms. So, client called me. This is what I'm doing. You can see there is the droppings from that wild animal. I don't know what animal. If you know what animal droppings are this, or poop is this, comment. Also, I want to show you some tips for summer maintenance or before summer maintenance, best practices. Obviously, the previous contractor, not good, because you see, there are the filters left behind. They are just as disgusting as the wild animal, I'm supposing. Look, parts left behind. Crazy, man. Crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna take you guys on this journey. First, I'm gonna remove that remaining connected flex duct right there. And then I'm gonna take the box and I'm gonna climb through this hole right there. Good thing I'm skinny, you know. And I'm gonna go over to the supply diffuser or grill and start there and work my way backwards. Stay tuned. Now, before I get into the video though, before I get to all that this job right here, I want you to subscribe if you hadn't subscribed, and smash that bell icon so that when I upload videos like these, you will get them right away. All right. So let's get it. See, I got these right here. It is. I'm gonna tie them off. Boom. Got this tool right here. Got my flexible duct, and I gotta get me some tools from my bike. I just need some something to cut the wires on the flex. So what do I need? What do I need? Should I use this? Maybe this is better. I don't want to use this. I could use this if I wanted, but I probably prefer use. No, that's not good for that. The needle nose. Yeah, I use these. So use that. And I need my knife. It's gonna cut the flex. Okay, that's the tools, guys. Got some electrical tape right here. I mean duct tape right here. All right, let's go. All right, so I'm here. Got my little Nebo there. I'm gonna cut this out. Ooh, that's that. Yeah, can I fit through there? It's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be difficult, but I could fit through there. I hope I can fit through. I hope I could fit through there. Crazy. Okay, here's the old flex. All right, let's get it. Crazy how the wire is still attached. satisfying. So I'm gonna do the best. I'm gonna do my best to hold the camera as I navigate these terrains. So you guys could see. How much would you charge for a job like this? Comment in the comment section. I guess once you get through this hole, it opens up. Hopefully I could make it through and back. This is so crazy. I can't even record. I can't even hold the camera while navigating. So crazy. What's that? What the hell? Man. I hear footsteps, guys. Footsteps on the roof. Crazy. Crazy. I'm out of breath, guys. I think I've bitten off more than I could swallow. Check this out. Hopefully, I make it out of here alive. Oh my. Yeah, this was way more than I anticipated. Whew. Wow. But guess what? I can't turn back right now, you know? I've already committed to this job, so I gotta do it. I can't back out. All right. I'm gonna cut this tie and remove this whole flex. Got the new one all coiled up in the corner there. Stay tuned. All right, time to connect it. Time to connect it. The new flex. Here is a refrigeration piping going outside. So it's connected. It's connected. That's good. Okay guys, so here's what's going on. So there is a second diffuser that was disconnected. There was a second one, as I could see right here. It's closer, right there. So it's, and I tried looping the flex right here, you know, and make it connected to both of them. And I was hoping it would make it, but it's too short. So I am gonna have to make a second trip, unfortunately, with a second box of flex. You know, look at all these things in my hands, man. My gloves, fiberglass, crazy. Yeah. So yeah, that's where I'm gonna stop this job right here. But I'm gonna tell you in a moment the best maintenance practice for your AC unit once I climb out of this hole here. All right. Best maintenance practices for longevity of your equipment and performance. Stay tuned. So when it comes to your maintenance prior to the summer, you want to make sure that you change your air filter. All right, that's the one thing you want to do. Change your air filter. And oh, okay, where's the filter? Let's get this thing right here. The filter is missing, as you can see. The coil is not dirty, but yeah, the filter is missing. Poor maintenance, not good. So yeah, so you want to make sure that you replace your filters, air filters. If you can't do it yourself, get a pro. Sometimes you could do it yourself. Next thing you want to do is the drain. You want to service the drain. Now, getting the drain serviced, usually the pro will blow nitrogen or CO2 down this pipe, down this little hole right here. Or they will open this cover right here and access the drain from inside and blow it out. So that will save you from a world of trouble of water come pouring through your ceiling during the summer operation or cooling operation when the drain line is clogged. So those two things you want to do. And there's one more thing that you can do that's going to lengthen the life of your HVAC system. And I'm going to show you that in a moment. That's crazy. No filter in the unit. That's bad. So I'm going to have to notify the client. I got to order a box of filter for this client here. Because that's crazy, man. No filter. All right, let's get on to show you the third thing that's going to let you have a trouble-free operation for the summer or for the cooling season, and lengthen the life of your and performance of your HVAC system. Gotta go get my tape measure so I can measure the appropriate filter size for this unit, because I don't know what the size is. But once I get outside, so the last thing I want to let you guys know about good maintenance practice to lengthen the life and performance of your cooling system. It's have to do with the outdoor unit. I'm going to show you that in a moment. All right, so let me get outside. Okay, so your outdoor condensing unit. See that? That's dirt and trash and debris. You want to have the coil cleaned. Okay. And that I recommend you get a pro to do it. If you're really handy, you can do it yourself. But have this coil cleaned, have your condenser coil cleaned. That will definitely cut down on your electric bill, the cost of operation, and lengthen the life and performance of your cooling system. All right, so I'm out of here. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, do so right now.